Welcome to Poniak, your trusted source for in-depth insights into recent developments within AI. Today, we explore how humanoid robots are no longer a distant dream. They're already transforming manufacturing across sectors like automotive, electronics, mining, and aerospace. Thanks to recent breakthroughs in AI and robotics, bipedal, human-like robots are stepping out of our and winking and laughing labs and into industrial environments. By early 2025, several high-profile deployments and pilot programs are underway. Tesla and Figure AI, for example, are integrating humanoids into their automotive assembly lines. Electronics giants like Foxconn are also deploying them to refine precision in manufacturing. Analysts estimate this market could grow to $38 billion by 2035, reshaping how companies operate and how workforces adapt. Now, let's take a closer look at how different industries are putting humanoid robots to work. Let's start with automotive. Tesla's Optimus robot, designed to handle repetitive tasks, is already being tested in battery assembly. Meanwhile, Figure AI's collaboration with BMW has humanoids walking warehouse floors and assisting with parts handling. In electronics, Foxconn has introduced humanoids trained for intricate tasks on iPhone production lines. Their goal? Smarter, faster manufacturing with fewer disruptions. Now consider heavy industry and mining. Safety is the core driver here. Robots are expected to venture into hazardous zones, lifting, inspecting, and even navigating tight underground spaces where human risk is high. And in aviation? Though still in early phases, researchers are exploring humanoids for cockpit simulation, aircraft inspections, and potentially even space missions. The key advantage of humanoids lies in their flexibility. Unlike traditional robots built for single tasks, humanoids can adapt to varied roles, walking, manipulating tools, or adjusting to human-designed environments. This shift isn't just technological, it's strategic. While upfront costs remain high, the long-term gains, from productivity boosts to reduced labor shortages, are significant. Companies must also factor in global supply chain considerations, especially around rare earth materials critical for production. Workforce impact is another vital dimension. Jobs aren't simply disappearing, they're evolving. Roles in supervision, programming, and maintenance are growing in importance. Organizations are building new internal teams, upskilling employees, and even appointing automation leaders to guide integration. From assembly lines to aerospace, humanoid robots are redefining the future of manufacturing. This isn't a science fiction scenario, it's unfolding right now. Businesses that lead this transformation will be better positioned to stay resilient, productive, and competitive in a robotics-driven economy. Stay tuned as we continue to track these innovations across the industrial landscape. For an in-depth analysis on this topic, please visit the link pinned in the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Poniak. Until next time, stay ahead, stay informed.